In this video, you will learn how to effectively brainstorm using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through each step of the process to help you generate creative ideas efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Kimi AI website. You could do this by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Kimi AI interface, which includes various options for interaction. Next, locate the option labeled New Chat on the main screen. This button is usually prominently stayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on this button will initiate a new chat session with Kimi AI. Once you have started a new chat, think about the prompt you want to provide to Kimi AI. This prompt is crucial as it guides the AI in generating relevant ideas. Consider what specific topic or area you want to brainstorm about. After you have decided on your prompt, type it into the chat input area. For example, you might want to ask Kimi AI for ideas related to detailed marketing strategies. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific to get the best results. Following this, look for the button labeled Generate and click on it. This action will prompt Kimi AI to process your request and begin generating ideas based on your input. You may notice a loading indicator while the AI works on your request. Once the ideas are generated, they will appear in the chat window. Review the suggestions provided by Kimi AI. You can take notes or further refine your brainstorming based on these ideas. If you require additional ideas or variations, feel free to repeat the process with new prompts. It's important to keep in mind that the quality of ideas may depend on the specificity of your prompt. Additionally, if you are using Kimi AI for extensive brainstorming sessions, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.